If you're interested in how I got my skin to look like this, stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Robin, also known as Be More Curly, and I am back today with another video. So today I decided that I'm going to review Victoria's Secret Pink's their Detox Charcoal Scrub. Charcoal is a really good natural skincare product. It helps, pull out a lot of toxins, and it helps to clarify and purify your skin. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to try this out. Oh, it also says here's how. Grab a handful and rub onto damp skin, spending a little extra time on rough spots before rinsing. So this is how it looks. Okay guys, I'm just going to throw a little bit of water on my face and then I'll be right back. My face is damp and I'm ready to go ahead and try out this detox scrub for you all. So I'm just going to take a little bit and put it in my hands. Just got about this much. Okay, so as I'm putting it on, it kind of has like a sticky, like syrupy feel, kind of like molasses, or it's not as thick as molasses at all, but it does have a stickiness to it like syrup. Like if you let this sit on your skin, or I feel like if it wasn't a rinse away product, if you just like let it sit, you'll probably feel like really, really greasy afterwards. You can feel the scrub inside of it, meaning, the exfoliant. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is like a real 100% charcoal that was mixed into this, or if it has some impurities. But being that it is from Victoria's Secret Pink, I have a feeling that it's not 100% natural. Okay, so it is starting to tingle, like right around here. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because it's opening my pores and clarifying, purifying. And it does say that it's a detox scrub. So maybe I'm feeling the toxins coming out because it is like a tingly sensation. Now that I do feel the tingle, I decided that instead of rinsing it away immediately, I want to go ahead and let it sit for a little bit, just so that I can get the impurities out and see what happens. I'm not going to let it sit for too long because I don't want it to break out my face, because I really don't know if this is 100% natural. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse this off now, and I'll let you guys know what I think. So I just finished rinsing off my face, obviously, and I think that it feels really, really smooth. When I was rinsing the detox scrub off, I decided to do it in a circular motion just to get any extra skin off, any extra dead skin. And my face feels really, really smooth. It has like that baby soft feel. So I would recommend this product as of right now. Now, if I get a breakout tomorrow or something, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna edit this video. So I will go ahead and give Victoria's Secret Pink's a B for their detox charcoal scrub. I'll only give it a B because I don't like the scent. The scent, it smells very plain. I would like it to have like a better, I guess since it's a natural product, it shouldn't have much of a like fruity scent or anything like that. But I don't know, some type of fragrance, like you could add in a fragrance with an essential oil. Something that probably wouldn't break down the charcoal too much. I looked at the ingredients and it's way too many to name, and I also can't pronounce some of them. So I know that this is not a 100% natural skincare product. However, because of that, they could have added in some type of fragrance. If it's already not natural, it's already not 100% natural, so why not make it smell good? That's the least you could have done. So I give it a B. Other than that, my face feels smooth. yeah, it feels smooth. That's about it. That's all I can really say about it. Oh, I hope you all like this review, and I hope you stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to post video updates weekly. I'm going to do at least 2 videos a week, so just subscribe to my channel. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, click it, and also click the bell so that you get notifications. Stay tuned for new videos, and I'll see you all next time. Thanks for watching.